For FPV, this is a heat of one. Arm your quad, Hyper. Let's go live on the tone in less than 5. That's all right, man. You're still good, Hyper. Arm and go. No good. All right, guys, it is 5:30. If you were expecting a pack, better get to the table. We're going to be shutting it down in about 10 minutes if you're expecting a pack. If you were expecting a re-race, come and see me. But I think we're about ready to shut down and do DVR reviews here in 10 minutes or less. If you are owed a pack of qualifying and you are about to fly it, make some noise or we're shutting down. And you can't save it for tomorrow. The question came in, can they save it for tomorrow? No. Okay, Hyper, all right, Hyper, you're back. It's okay. We're gonna wait for you. Everyone has earned their packs. They paid for their packs. We're gonna let it happen. So we're gonna do one more heat with Hyper. This will be the final heat because Hyper only has one left, right? And Engineer as well. And Engineer. All right.